Captain Boo. You're safe now. You be a good girl, okay?
How you thought?
This has gone far enough, James.
She's home now. Just leave her alone. I can't do that.
She's seen too much. You both have.
It doesn't have to be this way.
I have no choice. Times have changed. Scaring isn't enough anymore.
But kidnapping children?
I'll kidnap
Right,
1,000 children
right,
before I let
right.
this company die, and I'll silence anyone who gets in my way.
No!
Good night, Mom. Sweetheart. Good night, Mom.
What is this?
Simulation terminated.
FBI, open up!
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'll get him. All right, come with us.
What are you doing? Take your hands off of me. You can't arrest me.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?